everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent cover for your BeLive broadcast. So if you click on Top Show and you click on Add Your Branding, you're going to see these designed frames right here. And this is one that I have right here. So it's just a banner across the bottom and it says join our Facebook group, search for Directly Social. So it's really just guiding people somewhere I want them to go, right? So you can add your own right here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You can see this says optimal format 1280 by 720. So we're going to go over here and go to Canva. This is a free place. You can create whatever you want. So 1280 by 720, we're going to put our own dimensions in there and create a new design. And then I am going to go to Elements and type banner. See if that works. We want some kind of banner across the bottom. It doesn't matter what you do. That is definitely not what I clicked on. Oh, yeah, it is. I missed the airplane. Okay, so what we'll do is go to an actual just easy shape here. So if you go under shapes, you can click all of them to open them up, but I'm just going to use a regular square, and I'm going to, you can make this taller, shorter, whatever you need to do, and then you can scroll it across the whole bottom there. And like I said, you can make it as big or little as you want. We're going to pull it down to the bottom, and then you can change that color to whatever you want. If you have your own branding, you can use that. I'm also going to add my logo. So you can upload your own logo and put it in there however you want. I'm going to go ahead and map this out and put this in the right hand corner, and then we will add some text. Just click this text button and type in follow us on Facebook, search for Directly Social. Of course, you can write whatever you want. We're going to change that to white. We are going to pull that down here, and then we're just going to make it bigger. And we can center that if we want. We can make it bigger if we want. That is centered. And then you can change just a couple of words to make it stand out a little bit more. So follow us on Facebook, search for Directly Social. Now, to download this part as transparent, you're going to hit this download button and then hit transparent background and download. Now, you do have to have the, and then you can download that picture. You do have to have the $12.95 a month Canva for that transparent background, but you can also do that on a site called PicMonkey. That is another one I use, but Canva I use for 99% of everything that I do. It's just easier. And of course you can make other type of borders also. So if you go to Elements, you can click on that and hit border. And you can find all kinds of different borders that you could also use. So there's all kinds of fun stuff you can get into over on Canva, but this is a nice, simple banner to go at the bottom of your BeLive. And then you would just click on this and upload yours and save it just like I saved that one.